So on patches, I like to cut the recessed part off. It causes a deep patch, so I always cut the recessed area off whenever I'm doing patchwork. If people put these recesses are meant for two recessed edges have to be together, so when you tape it, it fills in the recessed factory edge. But if you have a recessed edge against a cut edge, now it's going to be deep on this side, so it's easier for me just to cut the recessed part off my sheetrock. This is a trade secret. A lot of guys just think you hang sheetrock, but you only do recessed edge against recessed edge. Cut edge against cut edge always. Some things change. If you can't help it but use a recessed edge, then go ahead, but it's going to cause you more mud work. So cut edge with the cut edge patch. Alright, so that other one's 24 and a half. 24 and a half. Take my T-square. Okay. All right, let's go frame it up, backing.